What is up, party people? Welcome to New Orleans, Louisiana. You've probably heard of it. You know, Mardi Gras, airboats, delicious Creole cuisine, and to me, the most important thing about New Orleans, jazz. Check out a parade for Joan of Arc, ate beignets, went on an airboat ride, experienced the nightlife. And we got here just in time to celebrate King's Day, the kickoff to the Carnival season, leading up to the celebration of Mardi Gras. New Orleans is a cool city. I got to catch up with one of my good friends from high school who I haven't seen in like 5 years, and I learned that Bourbon Street is the New Orleans equivalent to Times Square. I love it here, and I can't wait to come back. Next stop, Charleston, South Carolina. Thanks for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.